Learn dowsing. Dowsing is a technique used in order to look for items that are located underground. It is also used to look for water sources and other sources of energy. This technique originated in Germany during the 1400s. The materials that are used in dowsing include dowsing rods, revelatory rods, pendulums, and chains. It takes practice to learn this technique. Dowsing is now used for many things, including looking for treasures, locating pipelines, and in archaeology. Read the tips below to learn more about dowsing. Purchase dowsing equipment. For beginners, the most ideal dowsing equipment to use is dowsing rods or a dowsing pendulum. You can purchase these items from the website diviningmind.com. They have all sorts of dowsing equipment available. Your dowsing equipment is the most important thing that you should have when you are learning dowsing. Purchase books on dowsing. Books will help you in learning about dowsing. There are plenty of books for beginners that explain the history of dowsing and how you can start learning it. One of the books that you can read is Dowsing for Beginners: How to Find Water, Wealth, and Lost Objects by Richard Webster. If you are using a pendulum for dowsing, you can purchase the Pendulum Kit by Sig Lonegren. Use these books as a guide for learning dowsing. Watch instructional videos. Purchase instructional videos about dowsing. In some cases, you will learn better if you see someone do it. There are plenty of instructional videos available. One of the videos you can purchase is Diverse Dowsing: Practical Dowsing Techniques for Expanding Human Consciousness by Hamish Miller. This is a good DVD for beginners. You will see instructions and demonstrations on how you can start practicing dowsing. Start dowsing on your own. Start to try dowsing on your own once you have read and seen the books and videos. When you start, you must have a clear head. Concentrate on your questions. Find a good location where you can focus and where there won't be any distractions. At first, you can start asking simple questions that can be answered with yes or no. As you get better, you can ask more complex questions. Practice. Just like any activity, dowsing takes a lot of practice. When you get better, you can start using other dowsing equipment such as maps, crystals, mats, warps, and many more. You can also learn more about dowsing if you spend time with other people who are interested in it or those who already know how to do dowsing. These are the tips that you can follow so that you can learn about dowsing. You may also want to enroll in dowsing training or classes. There are some websites online that offer these courses so that you can learn more about the art of dowsing. When you learn the skills, you will be able to use dowsing for many things such as looking for treasures, asking questions, dowsing for the increase of energy and much more.